hello, and welcome back. And today we're back in, we're back in Wolf World, finally. But it's a very specific time we're back, because the game recently just had an update. And if you play Minecraft, you'll most likely know what the update is. The use of spears. Woo! That's why we need some doors. Sleep. Whew. Okay, we're sleeping. That was scary. Where's the doors? And the last episode, I believe we were over here. Over there, actually. Right over there. Where my spear is pointing. Wow. This looks dope. Over there. I said over there. Not up there, over there. But we should probably continue with the house. A good amount of the house. Well, if we're going to continue with the house, we need to continue with this roof. Okay then, I just got harassed by a spider. Nice, there we go. I forgot how big this house is going to be. Yeah, I do not have that good of tools. Let's make another axe. Let's go over to the tree area. We always make sure we get another sapling so we can replant. Okay, no sapling. Come on. Nice. Ooh, another tree. Yeah, there's a lot of trees around this area. And surprisingly, although the PvP SMP might be coming back, it most likely will be. It'll be coming back a bit later. But the PvP SMP will most likely be coming back for its return. let's continue. Oh, I should have grabbed more saplings. Nice, 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 and nice. More trees. No more trees, everybody. No more. Well, actually, trees are helpful. They give us oxygen. Plant. Yay. Planted a tree. Well, everybody, let's continue with more trees. Oh, you may as well call me that guy from the Lorax. I'm the Lorax. Trees, more trees. We need more trees. Jeez. Let's get more trees. But there's so many trees. Too many trees. That is probably enough wood for the remaining of the floor. Come on. Come on. More. Don't know what I'm actually going to have in this room. It's like quite a small room, but it could work as a kitchen. And then here could be like the massive living room. I have no clue. There's literally only 2 rooms down here. I thought there was more. 2 rooms, 1 kitchen, and 1 living room. Oh, bro, I'm so annoyed. There's one little block. No other place where this can... Oh, look, a button. Where did this come from? Button. Came out of nowhere. Am I going to have birch doors? Or am I going to have spruce or oak doors? Probably oak. So 1, 2, 3, 4. A wooden spear? You can make wooden. Yeah, you can make a bunch of spears. It's actually quite cool how to spears. Now people can like do Spartan things where you're like on that horse and you gotta like charge. Nice, amigo. Amigo. Doors have been placed. I believe I was going to use lanterns as like light. But I don't have that much iron for that. It's supposed to be on the new one, but it's fine. Boom. Alright. Well, should probably get some more oak for these upper things. I want to add something around this. But it'll end up being will end up being oak. Oh, hell no. Oh, I'm losing brain cells. Oh! I don't even have that many oak trees. Oak is like the one tree that's not being growing. That's fine. It'll end up being a farm somewhere. Sugarcane. Nice. There's a bunch of sugarcane. I feel like there should be some sort of like farm here. Just to give it that vibe. Yeah, I do have a hoe, but I don't have a water bucket. Could make a water bucket with the iron I have. And thank God I live near a river, because that makes it also easier. Oh wait, now I can make an iron spear. The spears will be so OP in this PvP SMP. People use it way too much and people start being so good at it. Let's keep farming. More farm. No. I need a new hoe. Meow. Meow. Let's get some wheat. Thank God. I was expecting that to like trample. 1, 2, 3. Then that. Then that. Come on, let's get more pieces. Oh, the perfect amount. Got a nice looking farm here. I did only make 9 holes. Well, at least have the roof. Now, got a bunch more of that. I can't believe there's a spear. Spears are a bit crazy, actually, mate. Like a trident, just different. My base is going to be so good whenever it's fully finished. Don't even care about those trees. The only trees I really care about is my forest of trees. Right, come on. What the hell? Double tree. Which one's going to end first? Ooh, another tree. Where did this appear from? I don't know, but it's a tree. Be gone, tree. Nice. Three saplings. Nice. Now I'm coming back with 64. And 64, I believe, turns into 4 stacks of wood. Yup. Because the thing is, 16 logs equals 1 stack. So, and 16 is 1 stack. That means 16 times 4 is 64. And 64 is just 4 stacks. Basically, 16 times 4. Just do 1 stack times by 4. Math. Nice. Well, basically, this is the flipping floor. I'm probably going to have, like, this a balcony up here. And maybe something around. Or something, I don't know. I know there'll be a balcony out here. Well, this is good. Let's go place all the wood away. But that, be the end of the video. So, bye-bye.